Hey unicorns, it's Kelly here. Today I'm gonna be doing slime that I haven't tried. And first of all, let's start with this video. I want you to subscribe and give it a like so you could be a part of the unicorn family and you could be a unicorn. Maybe a cow. So this slime is actually really I don't know if it's gonna even work or not, but it's somebody requested me to do a slime. So different slime, try with different slime, different things and different stuff. So I'm gonna do it. I think this recipe, I don't know if it's gonna really work, but I'm gonna try it for the first time. And yeah, it says you're gonna be needing food coloring. If you don't want, it's optional food coloring. I'm using this food coloring from my slime video, my past slime video, my DIY fluffy slime. You're gonna need contact solution, contact lens solution. You're gonna need glue. You could use however much. I'm just gonna use like this bottle, and it's half. I like not half, like right here. Whatever amount, it doesn't really matter. You're gonna be needing baking soda, a spoon, this is a large spoon, just to scoop the baking soda, and a plate. So let's get on to the video. So the first thing is you're gonna pour in your glue. I'm gonna pour all of that bottle in. Okay. End up like this. Okay, next you need to add your baking soda. And I don't know if this is gonna really work or not, but and just add a little bit like this much. It depends on how much slime you want to do and how much will you add it. You can add a little bit more. Add a little bit, like not like of this, but not like of this much, but I like how much you added a glue. It depends how much glue you added and how much slime you want to add. So I don't know if this is gonna really work. But then I'm just trying it for the first time. So then you're gonna mix in your baking soda with your glue. So it's gonna end up like glue or something. I don't know. Okay, let me move this. Oh, dropped it. Okay, it doesn't matter. I will pick it up right now. Maybe I will add a little bit more. Okay, it's supposed to end up like this, like gel or something, I don't know. Like this. Supposed to end. Yeah, like when you mix in the baking soda with the glue, it's supposed to end up like that. So yeah, I hope this even works, because if it doesn't work, I'm gonna freak out, because I love slime. You know, I'm obsessed with that. Fun fact about me. I love slime. So now I'm just gonna choose this pinky color, and I'm almost done with it. I love that pink color, but I'm almost done with it. But I could buy more. They were like $3 in Walmart. So that was amazing. Okay, I added like 3 or 4 drops, and I just added in that. I don't even know how much drops I added, but yeah, I just added like, maybe I added like 3 or 2, I don't know. So then mix up your cute color in, your amazing for coloring in with your baking soda and glue. So let me show you how mine ended. This is the pinkish color I like. This is so amazing. This is like really cute color. Oh, you're good. Okay. Yeah, you're ready. Okay. Now we're gonna add the contact solution. Let's see what happens. Well. Okay. It's starting to like. Oh, okay. Okay, that is so good. Okay. This is what ended up. I just saw like a few drops and more. Okay, I added my contact solution in. This is crazy. Like, what? Oh my god. This looks like. Okay, definitely this worked. I'm gonna show you how it works. So it worked. It's super cool. I haven't, gonna touch. Okay, it feels like slime. Maybe just take all this scrub in there. It's in the edges right here. Collect all that slime. Okay. Okay. So I just told you how my slime looks like, definitely. And this was a my words cannot come out now. This is not like a fluffy slime. It feels really weird. But it definitely worked. Kind of good. This is awesome. This is what it ended up to me. Maybe I should like. Okay, this is what it ended up to me. I think this slime is cray or something. Add more contact solution in. Okay. Okay. This is really cray because I thought that this is not gonna work because the baking soda or something, I don't know. But I just thought it would not work, but it actually like did work. So this is what it ended up. And I love it. The texture is so good. Just I don't know how to describe it, but it is great. So yeah. I just think it's not my kind of slime, but it totally did work. And this recipe is actually with clear glue. With clear glue, guys. You actually need to put clear glue. But I just put in white glue and it's like the same. It's good, like good. This is not, maybe if I just clean my hands and it will feel much better. But yeah, I totally like this slime, but it feels cool. But this is not my kind of slime. I just like more my fluffy slime. So yeah, that was all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it works to you. It did work to me. But yeah, it is super cool. This slime feels really cool in that. So yeah. Okay guys, first of all that I end this video, I just wanted to show you something really quick. Look up something. I just want to look up for something. Oh my god, I'm super dark right now. Let me just look really quick for something. I'm going to show you really quick something. Okay. Okay guys, so this is my second channel.
Hi guys, it's Kelly here. Today I'm going to be talking about me. So first of all, that I started my video.
As you could see, maybe you cannot really see it, but it is me. And this is not my right now channel. This is Kelly Rodriguez channel. This is my channel. It's named Kelly Rodriguez, but I can't do videos anymore on this channel. So yeah, I kind of can't do no more videos in that channel. So I'm just gonna be doing videos in my Kelly Unicorn. So this is, I just wanted to show you my past channel. This was awesome, and I'm really doing really good on this one video. I have 109 views. Processing really much, so I really like, and I really hope you supported me. I enjoyed you really subscribe and give me a support there. So I want to really thank you guys, and I just want to thank you, unicorns. So that was all for this video, unicorns. I hope you enjoyed this video. So bye guys, please subscribe to You Can Become a Unicorn. Bye, love ya.